Hi, my name's Tom. I was given these great boots from Dream Pairs to go ahead and kind of tell you about all the cool features, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. These are knee-high biker boots, and they have the nice chunky sole on the bottom. I'll let you see there's a little bit of a heel there. It's about a 2-inch heel. As you can see from the style, they look really cool. They're kind of edgy. They'll kind of give you a little bit of an attitude, but these are knee-high boots, so depending upon your size, they'll go up a little bit depending upon how big your size is, but you can see all the different buckles on it. And I want you to see something here. There's a matching buckle on the inside as well as the outside. The outside has multiple buckles here, the round ring, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 buckles up the side here. And then at the very top, there's actually a little bit of elastic here, so you can kind of stretch it and put it in a little bit. If you have thicker calves, this will open up a little bit to allow you to put your calves in there as well. They are padded on the inside. They are very comfortable. They are a round tip on the toe there, you can see, but it's just kind of a nice edgy attitude, sort of a biker look. The soles themselves are kind of a rubber. You can see there's a little bit of a tread there. They're not going to slip on many surfaces. They are made to be non-slip, so that's kind of a good safety thing. We got a couple different pairs of shoes from Dream Pairs, and they all look good. There is a different version of this. This is the knee-high boot. There is a smaller ankle boot that I believe only has 2 buckles on it, but it kind of goes up to there. So if you want something a little smaller, a little more cute, a little more just kind of sassy, but not yet all the way boot, look for the ankle boots. Those are also available, but these are the same pattern, same look, but they just happen to be knee-high boots. My wife and daughter both really like these. They are very excited to try them out, but they really look good. They really are. You can see I just want you to see all the metal, all of the PLU leather there. It just looks really, really nice. They're nice looking shoes.